Hi guys, it's Mariella and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. Today I'm going to be doing a flip through of these new memory keeping products from the Happy Planner. They sent this to me as part of my Squad Mentor box. So I'm really excited to show them to you. I haven't really looked too far into it yet, so I'm excited to look at it too myself. So if you'd like to see me do that, keep watching. So before I go ahead and flip through these products, I just want to mention that I do have an affiliate link. It is in the description box. If you would not mind, if you're going to purchase these items, if you would not mind using my affiliate link, I would really appreciate it. It does help me out so much, and it's of no cost to you. But I did want to mention that as of the time of this filming, I don't know the exact release date yet for these or the prices or anything else. So any information will be in the description box with links. And yeah, I guess that is it. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm gonna put a link up here. So you'll see a little link at the top. And that is my Squad Mentor unboxing video. And in it, I review, let's see. Let me just show you. In it, I show you this photo journal and I show you this scrapbook paper. So if you're interested in seeing flip throughs of these, you can check it out on that video. But I didn't flip through these in the video, so I'm going to do these separately. Okay, so Happy Planner just came out with a new memory keeping line. They haven't had a new memory keeping line in a while, so I'm really excited about this. I'm going to go through this extension pack first. So I'm just going to show you what's inside. It's probably going to look a lot like that planner or that photo journal that I flipped through, but let's just take a look. I really like this design. It's real clean and just so pretty. So here's a folder. It says, "Make today a great day." And then in here we have some stickers. Happy day, finding joy in my journey. It's time for a new adventure. Love this day. We have very neutral colors here, which I love because they're gonna go with anything and they're very trendy right now. So I think that's great because in a memory planner, you're gonna have very colorful photos. So I think having a neutral background is really gonna be nice. Okay, so this is what it looks like. We have the first divider. It says happy, really pretty. And then let the memories begin. So we have spaces for 2.4 inch by 2.4 inch photos there. These are like templates. So these look like the pages in the planner or in the photo journal that I already flipped through on that other video. So these are those same pages. And I love it because you have templates and it tells you what the sizes of the photos are. It gives you a lot of lines to do memory keeping on. And it's also blank enough that you can do your own thing as well. So I kind of like that. Like it's a combo of a template with like guiding you along, but also giving you room for your own creativity. Every morning you have two choices: continue to sleep with your dreams or wake up and chase them. And then this is going to be the same as these pages. Just say yes. Love that. Make the moment count. Okay, so that is what you get in the extension pack. And you can easily use this extension pack to put it in your big Happy Planner as like a different section for memory keeping. Or you can take this and put it in a big Happy Notes notebook and you have your own memory keeper if you don't want to buy the whole big photo journal. So that's an option for you. Okay, so let's take a look at these stickers. First, I'll go through this little Happy Memories sticker book. It's very small. It's one of those little ones. So much fun. Love this day. These are nice and big because the memory planners are big. Ooh, love these. Look at that. I love the watercolor and the little leaves. So pretty. Love this day. So much fun. OMG, fun memories. So happy. Best day ever. I love these. I think these are so cool. And what these are little triangles. So you can put them like on the edges of your photos, like you're taping them to the page. And I think that's so fun. Okay, and you have some in gold. And then you have a couple of big gold boxes to either put a picture in or write in. There we go, another one. Okay, so that's a cute little sticker pack if you don't want to invest in the big sticker book. This is a happy memory keeping sticker book, So Much Happy it's called. And the happy memory keeping sticker books are all big size because the memory keeping books are big. Now, I always say you can use any size sticker in any size planner, and that goes for the memory keepers as well. But let's check this out. This is like a color story. So Color Story has like different themes throughout. Like colors is kind of like that. It goes in colors, so it's kind of cool. So the first page is gold quotes, and these are kind of like a mackled. They're on clear sticker paper. So much happy, yay, favorite moments, smile. And you don't have to be a memory planner to use these stickers. You can use these in your regular spreads. I do it all the time. So we've got some pastels here. Fave moment, I love us, the best of times. These are paper. And then these ones are really cool because they're like little Polaroids, but the middle part comes out and it's like a separate sticker. So if you want, you can take this part off and use this as a box next to this to like write in for your memories or whatever. You can, or you can keep it together and write in it, you know, and not put a picture in there. You can really do whatever you want, but I like that that's a sticker inside. Stay gold, full of magic, life is a party. And then these are the same way. The insides pop out. And I like how that's like kind of different there. It's a little bit of a different look. Every day's a party. Friends make life lovelier. I like the colors here. And these are arrows in between. So we've got these little arrows. And then these ones are circles. So good times, happy days are here, feeling groovy, making memories. So this page is super, super cute. Look at this. So these are on clear sticker paper. I love the fonts here. I love the colors. I love everything about this. And like I said, you don't have to use it in a memory planner. You can certainly use this for your regular spreads, and I will be doing so for sure. Look at these arrows. I love arrows. So then we have a page of copper foil quotes in like a different font that's more sort of like an elegant font, and I like that so much. We have better together, hooray for today, celebrate every day, stuff like that. And then these little tiny confetti little dots. More copper foil here, and you can see the color palette has changed. Friends are family, feel the love, so much fun. And then we go into more of these frames in a different color palette. So you see how we're switching colors now. Again, these are the ones that the white part pops out. And then we have these moody florals. Look at these. And these are circles, live life in full color. And then we have the arrows in between, just like the other page. And it's going to be the same going forward with the other ones. My everyday, enjoy the now, today is the best, this is my story. These are clear, and then we have like some gold ones on clear as well. Look at these little arrows, I really like that. Then we have some neutral colors here, these trendy neutral kind of like pale pink and taupe and stuff like that. So blessed, documented, besties. Look at these. I love the dots around these ones. Super cute. And these are the colors of that photo journal too. So these are going to go well in there. Again, these are the circles and the arrows. And then we have a page of clear quotes here. I love when they do these and they separate the letters like that. So pretty. And we've seen this kind of thing recently too with these half circles and the dots. These are clear. And we have a page of clear gold quotes. Grateful, you know I'll be using that. Maybe on Thanksgiving, maybe not, because I'm always grateful every day. And then here we have more of these headers. Happiness is this, so many laughs, the perfect day. And then more of these, but we've got some florals in this one. More florals and a different color. And then these are the same, they're the circles and the arrows. And then some clear quotes in different colors here. And we've got some florals in there too. And then these headers are who, what, when, and where. They didn't put how in there, but they got the rest of them. And then we have some triangles, which are good for like photo corners. And some icons like bullets, little circles. When, who, wait, there's what? Is there where in there? Yes. Okay, wait, it goes who, what, when, where. Okay. And then here's some more headers like Insta-worthy, vacation mode, fun times. And these are like little flags. And then these are flags. If you're noticing that some of these are pulled up and I said that this is the first time I'm looking at it, it was, but something happened in my video, the first part of my video. So I had to redo this, and you can tell probably by my nails that it's days later or like a week later or 2 weeks later, whatever it is. I had to redo it. So that's why I already did look at this, even though I said I didn't. I didn't the first time I filmed it. Okay, so these are black quotes. I love these. And this is on clear paper. I love these because I love when they include the small ones, because they're going to be able to fit into those small areas, especially when you're writing in your planner throughout the week and you want your after the pen to look cute. You can just pop those in and it fills up the space. Also, how cute are these little quotation marks? You can make people talk. And a he said, and then there's a she said here. I love that. And we've got different fonts too that are going to match the fonts in the other parts of this sticker book. So I love this. I think it's so pretty. It's just something different. And whether you're a memory planner or not, I think you can use those stickers. So since I'm filming this actually the day you're going to watch it now, because I had to redo it, I do have some information for you now. And I didn't before. But these are all going to be available on Thursday, June 24th. Everything, all the new lines, the memory planning line and the Disney Oasis line, which I have another video on, that's all going to be available at 9 a.m. Pacific time on thehappyplanner.com on Thursday, June 24th. And you can use the code FREESHIP for free shipping on your whole order. So hopefully that helps give you a little bit of information. Don't forget to use my affiliate link. That's going to be in the description box. That would really help me out. I'd appreciate it. Also, I just found out that these two items, the memory keeping extension pack and the page protectors, they are going to be available at Joann. So all of the memory stuff, I didn't know this when I started filming before, sorry. Or when I filmed my mentor unboxing of this stuff. That's why I wanted to show you. I know this wasn't in this video, but it was in the other one. So not to confuse you, but all of this stuff is going to be available at Joann, but, and I don't know exactly when it's releasing. It's going to release after the Happy Planner puts it on their website, but these two products will not be available on the Happy Planner website. You have to get those at Joann. This is going to be available on the website, the Happy Planner website, and then the other products that I showed are also going to be available at the website, on the website. I hope that makes sense. So everything's at Joann's, but like a couple of things are exclusive to Joann and they're not carrying them on the happyplanner.com. And these two are the two things that I have that they're not. So anyway, I guess that's all I got for you. I hope you like this stuff. I love it. And I will see you soon. Bye.